AussieDoodle fans, we are here with a bunch of sleepy Petunia puppies. They are almost 4 weeks old, and a lot has changed this past week. They now have beds in here, and they also have pee pads in here. And as you can see, little Zuzu is using it right now. He's a good boy. We put the pee pads in the back until we get a litter box in here, and that encourages the puppies to go to the back of the puppy box. And now they have beds in here. We have a toy in here for them. And as you saw in the beginning of the video, we have a little water bowl. And today, the puppies are going to be trying mash for the first time. And mash is 1 part water to 1 part dog food. And their puppy food is on the website for you all. They will be trying mash for the first time, and they will definitely be loving that. Petunia is starting to be in here less and less, as she is going to be weaning her puppies soon. In about a couple weeks or so, all the puppies will be fully weaned off mom. Little Zuzu's trying to play with Rezzy. And please do not be alarmed, as the puppies are now starting to wrestle a little bit more. They will be pulling each other's ears, pulling each other's tail, and that is just total normal puppy behavior. And don't think one of the puppies is getting beat up more than the other. Alright, well, we will get the smash in here and we will see how the puppies like it. Well, these puppies are just chowing down on this mash. They definitely love the new texture. They love the new taste. And for the first couple of times they have mash, we will soak the dog food and then we will mash it up with a fork. And then in about next week or so, we will just have the dog food just regularly soaked. And then that way they can have the individual kibbles, but it will still be soft for them to eat. All of the puppies get so intense whenever they try mash for the first time. They're absolutely loving this. Little Pika's back there trying to play. Well, that is Petunia's puppies at almost 4 weeks old, and we'll be sending Petunia in here to clean up after her puppies. and getting the very last drop. We will see you next time. Over and out.